Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to select a username for your account on OnlyFans using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for OnlyFans. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to the platform OnlyFans itself. We can use a shortcut on the Bookmarks tab. Click on OnlyFans. Now wait for that to load. Once that is loaded to the profile, what we will do is go to the cogwheel where it says Edit Profile. And now we will be able to change our username. So at the moment, this username is a generic name that they could push out to anyone. And now we will be changing this to Computer Science Videos. Let's now see if that is available. Yes, it is. According to that tick, this name is available. This will also work as the URL for our account itself. So onlyfans.com/computersciencevideos. Now let's click on save. Let's go to my profile. And now let's see the URL itself. And there we go. onlyfans.com/computersciencevideos. I will definitely be making a few changes to the bookmark itself. Let's do that now. So copy the URL. Go to the OnlyFans bookmark. Go to edit address. Command V to paste, click on done. Now let's click on that shortcut again, and that directly takes us to our profile on the OnlyFans platform. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.